Hello everyone. So in this video we will learn how to send brochure to your newly created website registrant. So let us begin with a small example. So as you can see, this is a registration page. Okay, so as you can see, we are working on WordPress and this is a registration page. And a user called as Amy with the user email amy26064@gmail.com is now going to register to my website. So she's just going to click on submit. So the form is being submitted by a person called as Amy. Now the idea is that once the form is submitted, a file that is present in my Google Drive will be delivered to Amy. So we are working with Google Drive and this is the inbox of Amy. So this is the inbox of Amy. Okay, amy26064@gmail.com. So let's have a look. Okay, so the user has been successfully registered. So in a matter of seconds, as you can see, the data has arrived. Amy has got this particular PDF. Okay, so this is the PDF. Yeah, web writing guidelines for content contributors at Pay to Vault. So this is the website. Okay, this is my website called as Pay to Vault. Amy has been registered as a new user in Pay to Vault. Now that is why she is getting this particular document. Okay, web writing guidelines for content contributors at Pay to Vault. So basically we have some kind of integration between WordPress, Google Drive and Gmail. So you must be thinking, how did I do it? How did I manage to send the data from WordPress to Gmail? So basically here we have used an integration and automation software called as Pabbly Connect that integrates WordPress and Google Drive. The best part of using Pabbly Connect is there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. It can be done easily. Let me show you the steps. Okay, so basically in the new tab, let me just type pabbly.com, 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 press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. All you have to do is just hover on products and here you will find connect. Just click on connect. Okay, so this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Just go up and click on sign up for free. Here you can build your account in just 2 minutes. In my case, I have already built an account. So let me just straight away click on sign in. Okay, so this is the app section of Pabbly. Scroll down and here you will find connect. Just click on access now. At the top right corner you will find a button create workflow. Click this. A dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I'm going to give it as WordPress to Google Drive. Of course, you can give any name according to your discretion. It's totally on you. And let me just click on create. So when you click on create, you will find 2 windows, the trigger window as well as the action window. So what's the deal with the trigger window as well as the action window? Well, if you're talking about automation in Pabbly Connect, it works on the concept of triggers and action. The trigger here is basically an if statement. It asks a question, if this happens, what should be done? For example, if a new user or a new subscriber registers on your WordPress account, that is basically the trigger. Now the action is the file will be delivered from your Google Drive to that registrant's email address. So using these 2 windows, that is the trigger as well as the action window, we are going to create a workflow to integrate WordPress to Google Drive. Now the best part here is the link of this workflow that we have created is going to be added in the description box so that you can clone it and directly access it into your account to begin your automation journey right now. Okay, so let me just click on trigger. And here, let me just choose the app as WordPress. Okay, WordPress it is. Then we are going to use the trigger event as user registers. So user registers is a trigger event. We do have a ton of trigger events like post updated, post trash, user login, user deleted, and so on. All are a bunch of trigger events. But in case if you want more trigger events, just approach the help section. So when you click on the help section, you will be directed to Pabbly forums. In Pabbly forums, you can make a request that you want so and so trigger events. So let me just cancel this. Okay, so the gist is we are going to integrate WordPress to Pabbly Connect and the data will be received when a new user registers on WordPress. So these are the stuff that we have to follow. First of all, we actually have to install a plugin known as WP Webhooks. So I'm just going to copy this. Okay. And let me just go to the plugin section. So this is the plugin section. I have already opened the plugin section. Okay. And as you can see, this plugin that is WP Webhooks is already installed here in my WordPress. Okay. This is the plugin WP Webhooks. If you really don't know how to install a plugin, just go to add new plugin, give the name WP Webhooks in the search. After that, you install the plugin and then activate the plugin. Since you're already working with WordPress, I don't really need to tell you how to install a plugin. So this is the plugin that you have to install, WP Webhooks. Okay, so I'm considering you have installed the plugin. After you have installed the plugin, you have to go to WP Webhooks settings. Okay, so let us go to settings. So this is the settings page. Then what? Then you have to click on send data triggers. Okay, excellent. We are just going to click on send data. Then what? So switch on send data on register. Of course, we are going to click on send data on registers. Okay, then what? Then we are going to click on webhook and add a webhook name. Okay, so this is the one, add webhook URL, and we are going to give a webhook name. I'm going to give it as Google Drive. Google Drive data. Okay, this is because we are sending the data to Google Drive. That is why I have given the name Google Drive data. Now we have to give the webhook URL. So this is the second field, webhook URL. So this is how you get the webhook URL. You just copy this and you simply paste it here. Okay, so you have added the webhook name, you have added the webhook URL. All you have to do is just click on add for create user. Okay, so the webhook has been added. Webhook URL has been added. Excellent. So basically, it means that we have integrated WordPress to Pabbly Connect. This means anytime a new user registers to your WordPress account, Pabbly Connect will capture the data. And let's have a look. Yes, it is showing it is waiting for the data. Excellent. So what are we going to do here is we are going to enter some more details. So this time a person called as Sneh Tripathi is going to register to my WordPress account. So this is the user email. This is basically the password. This is the username. Okay, this is the username. Then we have the last name as Tripathi. Let me just add Tripathi. Okay, then we have the first name as Sneh. Okay, and let me just add the country as India or some other country. How about Iceland? Okay, Sneh Tripathi is from Iceland. So we have added the details of a person called as Sneh Tripathi. So let me just click on submit. Okay, so the idea is that Sneh Tripathi, once registered as a user in my WordPress, should be getting this particular file. Okay, so this is the file, that is web writing guidelines for content contributors at Pay to Vault. And the name of my WordPress site is Pay to Vault. Okay, and this is basically the rules that the person has to follow, the subscriber has to follow. Okay, so these are the rules. So let's have a look. Okay, the registration has been done. So let's have a look. Since Pabbly Connect is integrated with WordPress, do we have the details of Sneh Tripathi as he is the new registrant? Yes, we do have the details. So this is the username, then we have the email, then we have the user nice name, okay, and then we have the first name, the last name. Excellent. So using all these details, or actually we only want this detail, okay, so we will be sending the email. Okay, we will be sending actually the PDF. This is the PDF. This is located in my Google Drive. So this is my Google Drive and this particular PDF is located in my Google Drive. So we will be sending this file to Sneh Tripathi on this email address. And this is how you do it. It's practically very easy. Just go to the action window. And since this PDF is located in my Google Drive, I'm going to add it as Google Drive. This one. And the action event, let me just scroll down. Okay. And let me just click on share a file. So where is share a file? Share a file, this one. And simply just click on connect. We are going with a new connection and let me just click on connect with Google Drive. So these are the series of Gmail accounts I have. And this particular Google Drive where the file is located is part of this account. So let me just click this. It is asking me to confirm my choice. Let me just press allow. Now, before you actually press on allow, let me just remind you that Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% safe and secure with us. Okay, so we are going to fill in some fields, the file ID, the email, and the role. So the file ID is basically this one only, web writing guidelines for content contributors at paytovault.pdf. So these are all the files that is present in my Google Drive. All the files that is basically present in my Google Drive is being reflected here. Now out of them, I just want to send this particular file, web writing guidelines for content contributors at paytovault.pdf. And then we have to map the email. So the email can be found from here. So if you remember, we have got the email that is snehtripathi6@gmail.com. And this is how you do it. You click here, and we have mapped it. Easy. Since this is a PDF, we can just assign any role. I'm just preferring to keep it as view. All you have to do is just click on save and send test request to send this data to Sneh Okay, so the response is a positive one. So let me just straight away take you to Sneh. Okay, so this is the email that Sneh has got. Okay, so yeah, we have Sneh actually has got the same PDF, web writing guidelines for content contributors at pay2vault.pdf. Excellent. So the presence of this PDF file shows that we have a successful integration between WordPress and Gmail. Now, before you leave, let me just minimize all the windows one by one. Okay, yeah. So this is the whole process in a nutshell. First, you integrated WordPress to Pabbly Connect, and then you integrated Pabbly Connect to Google Drive. So now there's a perfect flow of data between WordPress and Google Drive. So not just these two apps, you can integrate a ton of applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect as well as the workflow link is available in the description box. Thank you so much for watching.